Hello students, I Sushma Kataria from Suraj School Bhiwadi, and today in this video we will discuss about the second poem of 11th class syllabus, the Laburnum Top, and we are doing the revision of it. So let's discuss some important question of it. The first question is, it is the engine of her family, she strokes it full, explain the significance of these lines. So in this line, in this entire poem, the poet was somewhere highlighting about a tree in which a goldfinch enter, and she makes a lots of noise, or her family makes lots of noise, and because of that reason the silence of the tree was completely spoiled up or stopped. So उस आवाज़ को यहाँ पे इंजन के तौर पे बोला गया. सो इट इज़ द इंजन ऑफ हर फैमिली, शी स्ट्रोक्स इट फुल. दैट मीन्स she full the silence of the tree in a full engine. So explain the significance of these. The goldfinch has been called the engine of her family. Just as engine start up the machine, her arrival in the nest has suddenly started up the silent machine, that is young ones has started. That means entire family, the kids in the nest will start creating the voice. Clear? It means she fed the young ones, and because of that reason she have a lots of noise. So next question is, explain the line and the laburnum subsides to empty. It is the last line of the poem depicting the sudden silence which falls over the laburnum tree when the goldfinch flies away after feeding the young ones. So that means the silence which was there in the previous, when the before the bird entered in the tree, it was that kind of silence was there, it create again when the bird went away from that place. So the next question is, the sleek as lizard and alert, abrupt, and as she enter the thickness, explain the given lines. So why the bird was considered and compared with lizard? Because lizard doesn't create any kind of sound when it comes. So the sound, when the sounds appear when she enter in the thickness of the plant, because she start feeding his or her young ones, and because of that reason it creates lots of noise, and because of that reason the goldfinch was compared with lizard. Clear? Because it's too quick. As she enter in the tree, the lots of voice start creating from that tree. Okay, the next question is, the whole tree trembles and thrills, explain the poetic device. So what is the whole tree trembles and thrills? The poetic device used is alliteration. Tree trembles, the tree, T and T, yep, and thrills signifies that the arrival of the goldfinch on the event top is responsible for the movement activity of the tree. The tree has suddenly sprung to life and speaking thrilling movement on it. So personification is also the टी यहाँ पे alliteration का मतलब क्या होता है? When the two simple same consonant sounds create again and again. So tree and tremble. So t sounds are there. So because of that reason it is alliteration. And यहाँ पे उस voice को एक engine के तौर पे दिखाया गया है, और tree को दिखाया गया है कि वो एकदम से life से भर जाता है. So tree को यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है life से भर जाना. So it's इसीलिए यहाँ पे personification का use किया गया. So in this line two poetic device were used by the poet. First is alliteration because of the tt sound, and second is personification because the tree is having a life like human being. So the next question is, it is the engine of her family, she strokes full of explain. So we already explained that. Okay, explain the line and the labrum subside the empty. Okay, so the next question is, how is the tree transformed during the bird's visit? Write the line that shows this transformation. So the tree suddenly starts trembling and moving as a machine has started up. This is due to the arrival of the goldfinch and her nest order to feed her. So जो ट्री है वो बर्ड के विजिट से एकदम से अलग हो जाता है, बिकॉज वेन द बर्ड वॉज नॉट देयर इट वॉज कम्प्लीटली क्वाइट एंड साइलेंट, बट एज द बर्ड एंटर इन द ट्री it creates it's start like a engine, the voice start like a engine. So because of that reason it completely transformed after the coming of bird. Next question is, to what is the movement of the goldfinch compared, which is on the basis of comparison. So यहाँ पे किस चीज़ के का साथ कंपैरिजन किया गया है? इंजन के साथ. क्लियर. एक उसके मूवमेंट को कंपेयर किया गया है लिजार्ड के साथ, बिकॉज इट इज़ टू एक्टिव, एंड उसकी जो वॉइस है उसको किसके साथ, दो चीज़ों के साथ यहाँ पे कंपेयर किया गया है विद द इंजन. क्लियर. तो कंपैरिजन इज अलर्टनेस एंड वॉइस. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज explain the first three lines of the poem The Laburnum Top. The Laburnum Top, the first three lines, and whose top part is silent due to the lack of movement. There is no breeze and hence there is no rustling of the leaves. The time of the day is afternoon. The month is September and the season is autumn season. The leaves had started decaying and because it turned yellow. क्लियर. सो इस पूरे फर्स्ट थ्री लाइन्स में क्या दिखाया गया? उस समर सीजन को दिखाया गया, इस ऑटम सीजन को दिखाया गया. व्हेन द ट्रीज लीव्स टर्न येलो एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इज सीज येलो laburnum top. What happened when the goldfinch come to the laburnum tree? So it's a repeated question somewhere. The goldfinch जैसे ही enter होते, what happened in the tree? This lots of sounds start appearing because of the young ones start twinkling when she have come. Why has the poem named The Laburnum Top? Because the entire poem was based on the tree. Clear. So because of that reason the poet used the title of laburnum top, because the bird, where the bird enter in the laburnum top. Clear. Explain the first three lines of the poem. We already did this question. She launched away. This is very important question. She launched away towards the infinity. Explain the given line. So she stands for, she, यहाँ पे जो she है वो किसके लिए stand किया गया है, किसके लिए रेफर किया है? Goldfinch, whose arrival on the tree has suddenly transformed into the noisy place, and after having fed for her young ones and having made the tree active. क्लियर. सो यहाँ पे जैसे ही वो जब आती है तो इट क्रिएट अ लॉट्स ऑफ एक्टिविटी इन द ट्री, एंड व्हेन शी फ्लू अवे फ्रॉम द ट्री इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली अ साइलेंट एंड infinity, because it is a vast sky. It is a vast sky, and because of that reason the infinity word is used by the poet. What is the image of the engine evoked by the poet? The poet creates the imaginary of a machine starting. Clear. Arrival of into the tree. The sudden noise and movement produce a young ones like the starting of the machine. The stroking on the engine is actually the act of feeding. Okay, so the engine के बारे में जो image create की गई है वो कौन सा situation है? When the bird feeding her child or the young ones in the tree. Clear. And because of that reason a lots of voice created in that, and it's somewhere it's kind of engine was highlighted by the poet. So in the entire poem the basic theme is it doesn't mean we have a particular theme. Simple इस चीज़ को दिखाया गया है कि there was a tree which is very silent. A bird suddenly entered in the tree and she start feeding her young ones in the tree, in the dense area of the tree, and when she was doing that things lots of voice was created by the young ones as well as by the bird, and because of that reason that situation was compared as a engine by the poet. And when the bird flew away from that place, it again the tree in the silent mode. I hope you clearly understand the poem and the given questions. Your home assignment is you have to do all these questions in your fair notebook. Thank you.